WorldCoin just exploded over 100% this week. Be sure to watch this video because I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect next for WorldCoin. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know.
Taking a look at the top crypto gainers this week over the past 7-day period on coinmarketcap.com, we have WorldCoin up over 100%. All right. Now, that was actually a trade alert inside the FFA. If you don't know what the FFA is, click the link in the description and get on the free email list. We're going to review WorldCoin and what's going on here. Now, the first thing I'd like to say is WorldCoin has been getting some attention, okay, because basically Tom Lee, who invested and backed BMNR, which is essentially an Ethereum play on the New York Stock Exchange, basically took funds and invested them into WorldCoin, which is a little bit controversial because WorldCoin is Sam Altman's project, okay? But that said, the news actually spiked WorldCoin, all right? But we don't trade the news, we trade the charts. WorldCoin was a trade alert from 0.84, all right, inside the FFA. It was alerted to buy here. Now this thing has surged up actually almost to R2, resistance 2, at $2.22. Now that's quite a big move. What can we expect next? Let's look at that in percentage terms. All right. That's 165%. Now that's a big move. If you want to learn how to trade, we can teach you how to do that, and you'll have these charts at home on your own. You can figure out where to get in, where to get out. We don't trade the news. I knew that this level at support 1 was a good long entry based on this Adam and Eve bottoming pattern. It's a double bottom pattern where Adam forms the sharp pattern, Eve forms the more curved out double bottom. And we had SRSI up, which is very bullish, and we had RSI poised up, ready to pop over 50, another bullish sign. Now,
stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
also, price was curling up over the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA. Now that's down here. I've moved that off the chart to make it clean. Here's what you want to pay attention to next. If WorldCoin closes this week above $1.65, it's going to go up and hit $2.33. If WorldCoin breaks below this level, it's actually going to come back and test a downside support. So I'm going to pull a Fibonacci pull to see what we could expect for a pullback. The 382 is on top of the 50 EMA, right around $1.52. That could be a good entry if you're not already long. An even deeper pullback would be around $1.17 to $1.21. When altcoins start looking like this, there's no guarantee you'll get a huge pullback, okay? Once it starts leaving the station like this, the train usually can keep running. So manage your risk. This is not financial advice. You want to get in at strategic entry points and pay yourself along the way, okay? But WorldCoin's looking pretty good, and it is a big project that has a very big use case, keeping politics out of it, whether you like Sam Altman or not. This has a lot of money behind it, and it's gaining some momentum. So we could get a big move, just so you know, if we look at a high time frame fib extension, up to $3.77, $6.07. And if we get a huge breakout, let me just zoom out and show you what a massive breakout would look like. All right, we're going to take the measured move here from the breakout point, which is here, and you're going to target actually about $9.59 for WorldCoin, which is right up here, a double top back into where it was in March of 2024. All right, so take this level to level. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've got a lot of trade alerts coming out, so be sure you're subscribed, share this with one person, all right? And I can't wait to see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list. We're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.